Think web designers just pick fonts and colors? Think again. Their role goes way beyond aesthetics, and it could be the secret weapon your business is missing. Web designers are the architects of your online presence. Yes, they make things look great, but their job is really about solving problems and guiding users towards action. A great web designer starts by understanding your business goals. They'll ask questions like, what do you want your website to accomplish? Who are your customers? What kind of experience do you want them to have? Then comes the strategy. Web designers will plan a layout. They'll look at navigation, user experience, to make sure every click leads to somewhere meaningful. They consider site structure, mobile responsiveness, load time, accessibility, and visual hierarchy. They'll also collaborate with developers and copywriters and marketers to bring the site to life. That means turning ideas into wireframes, designing page mockups, and often working inside platforms like WordPress, Webflow, or Shopify. And once the site's live, their job isn't over. Many designers support ongoing updates, performance improvements, and designing refinements that help you adapt and grow. So what do web designers do? Well, they turn your ideas into digital reality, and they make sure that reality works for your business and your customers. So what surprised you most about what web designers do? Drop a comment below. Let's talk about it. If you need a partner that can bring your brand's life online, Biondo Creative is it. We design websites that don't just look good, they convert. Reach out today and start your project. Call 267-362-9321 and let's get started.